ninyo ako. Magtunganuhain. Sa virgin na. Saktan ninyo ako. Magtunganuhain. Saktan ninyo ako. Magtunganuhain. Hello everyone! For today's vlog, my sister will do a waxing in my hairy legs. So, please watch, like, subscribe, and share, and enjoy our vlog for today because I want them to join my vlog. Okay guys, they will wax my legs. Smile, I have to wax. Okay, they will wax my legs. Let's see if this is painful experience or what. Ow! Wala pa nga. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is your witty Bonita, the funny girl, the witty one. So my sister doing my wax for the first time. They don't know what they're doing. I think this one. This gotta be her. Oh! Wax me, baby! Gusto mo natin? Minaboy ka gino. Ow!
O pagani?
Sabi mo guys, muna yung pagkakataon nila nasaktan ako kasi matagal na po sila nagalit sa akin.
Ay, oo, kay dili siya mo.
Pagkakataon na nila. Uy, sakit. Imukulo, ano yung support anak. Sige guys, bagnusin ng tagiron na legs na ugat-ugat. Oh. Hello, shout out to all my members channel and all the super chata and all my wala silang personality, mga lami kayo sila pangkulatahon guys. For all the silent viewers that
We're waxing. We're waxing the legs when it said.
This is Sky, the little one.
Hi, I'm Nerisha. Add me in my Facebook and buy some stuff. Gold watch and
gold and the cell phone. And Sky, the one, the tiny one.
We're going to
ready 1, 2, 3, magdukay mong tulo.
feel it all together.
Di man ipa.
Sige, kasi idungan niya, idungan. Ready? Wala pa, sige. Bipilit na kayo sa tayo.
Dry first.
Hindi niyo kung dungan na siya kayo. Sakit ba kayo na pagkahumandungan mo tulo?
Okay, pa-dry pa. Let it dry first.
Let it dry first and then sige, massage my legs. This is your witty Bonita, your Aki. Ayaw sama. Ay, ikaw. Sige, mo agay madjugoan na idungan ninyo kay pati man ginasakita ang gyud. Pangsumbago ta gid mo karon kay pagkakataon na gini ninyo nga saktan ninyo ako. Magtunganuhain. Sa virgin na. Joke. Hello everyone. Thank you for all my silent viewers, the fans that it's not in my community. They're just like viewers and they're not writing comments. It means it's madlang people, they're netizen and they're my fans.
Sure mo nga.
Aaron Karaoke and Celestia.
Sige.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Go! Nasakit ka ayo. Gitanjar ko nila! Witty Bonita, help! Help! People in the house! Sakit, boy! Sakit kaayo, makakuha agad siya. Gitanjar pagkataon na yung nila, guys. Oh, bro. Umanaw ako. Sige, in front of me. In front of
Me too doing some walks.
Oh my God, guys, don't mind my bill. Because my tummy is getting big.
Bitaw ni.
Kaya man naghihatag na nakalimot na isiya. Matay sa
Hatag pa din na ako te.
Wala, oo. Last time ko mabantay. Hindi ko, ma-expire na niya. Wala, hindi mo gabita kayo mag-vlog ko.
Hatag niya, hindi mo siya wala daw yan.
Oo. Hindi pa ka man, wala akong mag-vlog. Bitaw kayo, wala na katao. Guys, this is the ati.
Mukalit ko sa gihatag, yun na ako.
Okay guys, we're going in the front area. And it's painful because all my hair is removed. Naningkap, the other hairy monkey. She's the hairy monkey one and the darker skin of all of us. Bug! Hala, oy, natangtang. Hala, natangtang, itinuod ang hair, oy.
Alangan man, di kapulutan man.
Sige, tanggalan na niyo. Guys, beauty treatment for me today. I deserve this. Wait. Leg, what the hell are you doing, Leg?
Wala, it's distracting.
Thank you so much for all. Ow! Hala, sakit siya. Ow! Ow!
Ayaw na lang po.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is your Witty Bonita, your funny girl, your witty one. Come here, my niece, the behind scene fans, my #1 fan, my niece. My niece and my sister and my
Looking for
youngest sister. Thank you for watching. I love you all so much. Thank you for all your love and support. Without you, I'm not here.